Nation celebrates 71st Republic Day. President Ramnath Kovind takes salute of parade at Rajpath in the national capital. Manipur also celebrates 71st Republic Day at the historic Kangla under tight security arrangements amid boycott called by various proscribed outfits. Kabui Mothers Association Manipur celebrates the state-level 105th birth anniversary of freedom fighter Rani Gaidinlu at Rani Gaidinlu Park in Chingmairong. And total shutdown and boycott called by various armed groups of the state against 71st Republic Day celebration greatly affects normal life in the state. Kurumjari, good evening. You are watching Sunday Primetime English News on Impact TV. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with you. Our top stories this evening. India celebrated its 71st Republic Day today. The main function was held at Rajpath in the national capital, New Delhi. President Ramnath Kovind unfurled the nation's tricolour flag and took the salute of the parade. President of Brazil, Jair Messias Bolsonaro, graced as the chief guest of the parade. The Republic Day ceremony commenced with Prime Minister Narendra Modi paying homage to martyrs at the National War Memorial instead at Amar Jawan Jyoti. The national flag was unfurled, followed by the national anthem with a booming 21-gun salute. The parade started from Vijay Chowk and proceeded towards the Red Fort grounds. It was commanded by Parade Commander, Lieutenant General of General Officer, Commanding Headquarters, Delhi, Asid Mistry. Highest Gallantry Awards, Padam Veer Chakra and Ashok Chakra Awards were also presented on the occasion. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu, Union Ministers including Rajnath Singh, Amit Shah, Nitin Gadkari, Nirmala Sitharaman, Prakash Javadekar, BJP President J.P. Nadda, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, Congress President Sonia Gandhi, former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, BJP veteran Lal Krishna Advani were among those present on the occasion. Manipur also celebrated the 71st Republic Day amid the boycott called by various underground outfits under strict security. Celebrations of the day were also held in various parts of the state. The main event was held at the Kangla with Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah as the chief guest. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah kicked off the state-level Republic Day celebration by unfurling the tricolour flag and inspected the Guard of Honour for the contingent commanded by 9th Indian Reserve Battalion Deputy Commandant Tifang Cecilia at the saluting base Kangla. She took the salute of the march past of 119 contingents, including various contingents of ex-servicemen, men, Manipur Police Commando, Civil Police Male-Female, VDF, Manipur Fire Service, Traffic Police, NCC, Manipur State Bharat Squad and Guides, government schools and colleges led by Manipur Police Training College AD Sarangthem Asana as a parade commander, CRPF, Assam Rifles, Manipur Rifles, Sainik, IRB, Home Guard Male, Home Guard Female, MPTC, 2nd IRB combined, fire service bands, etc. also took part in the march past. The governor also honored some Manipur police personnel with police medal for meritorious service and Union Home Minister's medal for excellence in police training award on the occasion. Various cultural and dance troupes coming from valley and hill districts and throughout the public. Many tableaus highlighting various departments of the state government were also displayed during the celebration. A band of Manipur Rifles concluded the ceremony by singing the national anthem. Chief Minister Nongthoma Biren, Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar, Council of Ministers, MLAs, Chief Secretary, DJP, top officials of various departments and many people attended the event. People witnessed the march past of various contingent, which is one of the most important events of Republic Day today. Numerous people waited at various places since 8 a.m. this morning to watch the spectacular parade amid the boycott and total shutdown imposed in the state. People gathered near the first Manipur Rifles, Chief Minister Bungalow, Sanjin Thong, North AOC, Khoya Thong, MG Avenue in front of Congress Bhavan and Raj Bhavan to witness the parade. Police, IRB, some rifles, CRPF and students of various colleges showcased their parades. Governor Najma Heptullah also interacted with the people who came out to watch the parade. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren addressed a vote of thanks of the 71st Republic Day celebrations at the parade ground of 1st Manipur Rifles following the grand celebration at historic Kangla today. Speaking at the event, Chief Minister N. Biren urged the public and security forces for their cooperation in upholding the integrity of the nation. He recalled that India got independence on August 15, 1947 and on January 26, 1950, the Indian Constitution came into force and the country became a sovereign democratic republic, asserting that the world has accepted that India is an advanced country. N. Biren assured that the government is striving its best for the welfare of the people. He said that the government is working uniformly in the valleys, hills, villages and the city for a developed and peaceful state. N. Biren said that efforts are underway to strengthen the ties between the different ethnic communities of the state, asserting that the mistrust and doubts which once prevailed among the hill and valley residents has perished. He said that one clear example of such is participation by various communities of the state in the celebration. The Chief Minister declared that the government aims to bring love and equality among the ethnic communities of the state, for which the government has launched Go to Village, Go to Hills mission. He expressed happiness that the government's welfare programs have reached the far-flung areas of the state. N. Biren said that the sole aim of the government is striving for equal development in all the districts of the state.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯝꯃꯤꯟꯅꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯃꯤꯟꯅꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥ ꯚꯥꯔꯠ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯚꯥꯔꯠꯀꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗ ꯂꯩꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯦꯠꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯣꯟꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯚꯥꯔꯠꯀꯤ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯁꯛꯇꯝ ꯀꯟꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯥꯡꯖꯤꯟ ꯊꯥꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯁꯛꯇꯝ ꯐꯪꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯑꯃꯕꯨ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕ ꯎꯠꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯔꯤꯕ BJP ne led to Junction number Sarkar City Pandam. Go to village, Karigino, Kaskunate. I call the hen again, but no, Tagi, same as Sarah, Bora, the Praja. I could get Lejaba, State the Foxaba, Haran see the Foxaba, Karadoi, Yanaka Saminaway, other Muki Pandam to the go to hills, emission, Hogibani.
Speaking at the event, the Chief Minister N. Biren said that education is the backbone of the society. He asserted that the School Fagat Hansi mission was introduced to enhance the education system of the state, asserting that one school from every constituency is selected under the mission. N. Biren disclosed that some of the schools under the mission will be available to the public on the first week of February. He said that efforts are underway to recruit pre-nursery teachers and initiate various undertakings as the capital for the same are earmarked in the budget. N. Biren also mentioned that primary health centers are being converted into health wellness centers to enhance the health sector of the state. He also lauded the police team and the contingents from Meghalaya participating at the event. Cabinet ministers, MLAs and top officials of police attended the occasion.
Education hai base koi ki backbone ni adu lai koi school phagalan se hai ki panjam da jail na khuding ki koi school amam khankan le har ka da madu ki sem saba ho gai ba lai ba koi February ki ahan basayo dadi soi na koi school tar gai koi praja da tusin na bang magani madu ki dai koi pre nursery ki class hana na bai waja ki appointment ki koi process to kore school kumpu go ma koi du ki sarkar lai bo waja se koi ma koi posting pi ho kore transfer to ho kore madu ki thabak mai pa pang thong na ki da ma koi budget da paisa fajana madu ki lam ka ya ma tor ka thame adu na koi priority sectors se
Beating retreat ceremony was also held after the Grand Republic Day celebrations at Raj Bhavan in Imphal today. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah, Chief Minister in Biren, Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar, ministers and MLAs graced the reception. Opposition leader come former Chief Minister Okrome Bobby and leaders of various political parties also attended the event. Top government officials of civil and police also attended the event along with their family members. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah and Chief Minister N. Biren lauded the two women police officers who were the parade commander and Guard of Honor commander in today's Republic Day celebration. The 71st Republic Day celebration was also held at Manipur Central Jail today. Manipur Central Jail SP hoisted the nation's tri-colored flag to mark the day. District Administration at Jiribam also held the 71st Republic Day celebrations at Jiribam Higher Secondary School Playground in Babupara, Jiribam district today. Deputy Commissioner W. Manglem Nganba kicked off the celebration by hoisting the nation's tri-color flag. Parade Commander, Jiribam District Police SDPO, Thangjam Sanatomba laid the march past of 32 contingents including police, school, college, cultural troops, and various military forces. Winners of the parade were also felicitated on the occasion. 71st Republic Day celebration was also held at Manipur High Court Complex in Chingmairong today. Cherab Court and Uripok Flyover Bridge and Manipur State Legal Services Authority in Lamphal Court Complex also held the celebration. Republic Day celebrations were also held in Thoubal district amid tight security today. District Administration Thoubal organized the event at Chao Yaima Higher Secondary School ground. Deputy Commissioner of Thoubal District, Nongmaithem Bandana, kicked off the celebration by hoisting the nation's tri-color flag. Deputy Commissioner received a salute of march past of 52 contingents led by the Deputy Superintendent of Thoubal District Police, K. Dhananjoy, as the parade commander. Appreciation certificates were distributed to 96 selected employees of different departments of the district at the occasion. Gifts were also presented to the contingents and cultural troops who participated at the event. District Administration of Bishnupur also organized Republic Day celebrations at Old Mini Secretariat Complex today. Bishnupur DC Nita Rambam hosted the nation's tri-color flag to mark the day. 18 contingent showcased march past led by Additional SP Operation KSH Sivakanta IPS as the parade commander. Various cultural troops showcased traditional dance performances on the occasion. District Administration also presented commendation certificates to the selected employees of different departments at the event. BJP Manipur Pradesh also led Republic Day celebrations at the party office in Kanchipur by hosting the nation's tri-color flag. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC also joined in the 71st Republic Day celebrations at Congress Bhavan in BT Road today. 105th birth anniversary of freedom fighter Rani Gaidinlu was also observed on the occasion. Speaking at the event, MPCC President Moirangthem Okendro extolled the public and the Congress Party for their immense roles in the struggle for India's independence. He called upon everyone to acknowledge the tremendous roles in obtaining India's freedom and to uphold the unity and integrity of the country. Remembering the roles taken by Congress Party in India's independence movement, hoisting of the nation's tricolour flag, singing of the national anthem, and offering floral tributes to the poetry of Rani Gaidinlu were the main highlights of the event.
Ngasigi thoramsida akhona nahuna Bharatpu ningkha tamnaba honabada Congress ki leaders singna loghiba thodang nahuna ningsangli loinana ngasi simlaba thoramsi lakpada Manipur miyamda Manipur Pradesh Congress Party ki maigidagi efa paujel pijabaga loinana ngasi Ganatantra Divas palansina nahuna muksu ningsangaga akhoi masel ama toibagi akhoi apunbana pangalni haba wakhalonduda leiminaba honaminaba sigi matangde hagna amkasu Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee ki taraptagi Manipur miyamda wakhalon sileibinaba appeal tawjari.
District Administration Kukching also held a Republic Day celebrations at the District Sports Association Playground in Kukching today. Deputy Commissioner Valentina Rambam commenced the program by hoisting the nation's tricolour flag. She also received the salute of the march past of 25 contingents led by SDPO Sugnu Amakcham Devanand as a parade commander. Various schools, colleges, police, NCC, ex-servicemen, cultural troops and departments that took part in the march past. Education Minister Dr. Thokchom Radhesham said that the people of the nation has been taking pivotal roles in the struggle of India's independence from the clutches of the mighty British and in upholding the integrity of the nation. He was speaking at the 71st Republic Day celebration organized by Rajya Sainik Board Manipur at the board's office complex in Lamphal today. Minister Radhesham said that the many Manipuris have laid down their life in the freedom struggle of India since the formation of Indian National Army INA, which aimed to secure India's independence. He asserted that many Manipuris still continue to serve in various Indian forces to uphold the state's dignity and honor. He assured that the government will initiate measures to open a point in every district of the state to facilitate the ex-servicemen in the near future. He also disclosed that the state government will hold discussions to earmark a special capital in the budget for Republic Day and Independence Day celebrations. IFCD Minister Lepau Haukep, retired Lieutenant General K. Himalay, retired Lieutenant General L. Nishikanta, and many people attended the event.
Per capita Army, Assam Rifle or Defense ki force sangbagi si yenguraga so in terms of Canada akoi population si yenga so aina khanjabada I may be wrong, but akoi highest oramgara haina so anywhere you go, any place akoi officer ekaleram mani nasi Rajya Sainik Board ki koi office bearer mayam halaman mayam na sigum welfare ki torokpa step afaba local paise asi akoi tungna lakada angang singi aduga akoi Manipur gi damakta irrespective of akoi karamba community karamba dharma sapano haibda khaidana koina bharatta akoi sigumba jaga ama lei kathokpa ngamba maribak tagi henna hanba first haibada akoi ireibak na maru oi ai ima asem ireibak na adugumna kathokpa ngamba adugumba mi kaya ama Manipur leiri haibasi sakta mina.
District Council Administration Autonomous District Council Chandal also organized Republic Day celebrations at ADC Chandal Office Complex in Mongsang Pantha Village, Chandal District today. Chairman of Autonomous District Council Chandal, D. Ringo Lamkang, hoisted the nation's tricolour flag to mark the day. Leaders and members of ADC Chandal, officials of various departments under ADC Chandal, village chiefs, and representatives of various civil society organizations took part in the event. Various events, including a football exhibition match, was also held as a part of the event. Republic Day celebrations were also held at Maha Union Higher Secondary School ground in Chandal district today. Deputy Commissioner Chandal Sri Krishna Kumar hoisted the nation's tricolour flag at the event. Kangpokpi District Administration also held Republic Day celebrations in the district today. Deputy Commissioner Kangpokpi Lalit Thambigai K hoisted the national tricolor flag and received the salute of the march past of the contingents during the event held at Brigadier M. Thomas Ground in Kangpokpi. District Administration Churachandpur also held a Republic Day celebrations at Tuibong Peace Ground in the district today. DC Churachandpur Pawan Yadav IAS unfurled the nation's tricolor flag and received the salute of the march past of 29 contingents comprising of district police, IRB, paramilitary and students. Kaliakap Award were also presented to proficient government employee, medical institutions and NGOs. Technopal District Administration also organized a Republic Day celebration at Technopal Government High School ground today. Contingent of Technopal District Police, Assam Rifles, students of government and private schools, ASHA workers showcased march past at the event. DCM Rajkumar received the salute of the march past contingents. Technopal SP, Assam Rifles commandants and many people took part in the event. 43rd Assam Rifles along with ICP More also celebrated Republic Day at Integrated Checkpost ICP More Town today. Nation's tricolor flag was hoisted and general salute were paid on the occasion. 43rd Assam Rifles, staffs of ICP More, customs, immigration officials attended the ceremony. Tree plantation drive was also carried out as a part of the celebration. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on total shutdown called by various armed groups against 71st Republic Day celebration. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News on Impact TV. Total shutdown and boycotts called by various armed groups of the state against the 71st Republic Day celebration has greatly affected normal life in the state. Major markets of the state like Khwaranban, Paungna, Thangal, Lamlong, Thobal, Kakching and Bistupur market remained closed. Proscribed outfits Korkom, Asuk and various other rebel groups imposed a total shutdown and boycotts since midnight. Passenger vehicles including interstate and inter-district passenger vehicles remained off the roads except for few private vehicles applying on emergency. Oil pumps also remained closed. Manipur Police, IRB and Central Paramilitary Forces are being deployed at strategic location to avoid any untoward incidents. Kabui Mothers Association Kama Manipur held the state-level 105th birth anniversary of freedom fighter Rani Gaidinlu at Rani Gaidinlu Park in Chingmairong today. Arts and Culture Minister Langpok Lakpam Jayantakumar paid homage to the great leader and extolled all her remarkable contributions at the event. Paying off floral tributes to the poetry of Rani Gaidinlu and showcasing of cultural songs and dance performances were the main highlights of the event. Gracing the event held Minister L. Jayantakumar assured to renovate the park at the earliest.
I'm going to chase you out there. The Yauri Bayamba Singsi Masi, I am but the Agitani, Habitai. Ministry in charge of arts and culture, government Manipur Madi Daitani, like construction of entrance gate, completion of morale, need for proper demarcation, immediate fixation of inaugural plaque, completion of Ranima Park infrastructure, installation of signboard, maintenance of Ranima Memorial Hall cum library, and habit Singsi, Aina. Kanjabadi, I Pajal Biva, Mayam Yam Toin Tony Sungana Biva, Mayam Liam Tagat Biva, Pasharia, we out of Arts and Culture Department. Edu, Pashaya Su Yaudrasu, Imagini, Kumayam Gini, and Haimaki Port Semasi, Ainamatu, Kauditana, I lack at the river, said I Yariga to Nine Ambakar Ham, one is again, and I did.
Speaking at the event, Nungba MLA Gai Khangam asserted that Rani Gaidinlu was not only a great leader of Zalengrong tribe but also an invaluable women leader of the state. He expressed firm belief that the Rani Gaidinlu Park will be renovated by the government at the earliest. asserting that Kama should not only be responsible for organizing such celebration, he urged the public to form a joint committee of the Hill and Valley residents and organize the event in the upcoming years. MLA Gai Khangam expressed disappointment over the low turnouts of the residents of Zelengrong community at the event.
Remind only, but Chivina, Malayamna, Sakangi, Birabo, Indiana, Bharatna, I mean Bharat Barshipunamana, Sakambira, Mitami, Punamana, Rani Gedulu system, Samba, Nupinate, Kupunamakini, a quick identity, Sakta, but a Chobero, Lorivene, Haidana, Malayam, Labajati, Maruina, Nupi Shamas Punamana, Rani Gedilugum Basha, I imung Daizati, I London, the popular the go and Sonara, Kanasida, a quay imung Yuba, Jelano is announcing, Sigma Function La Pacanda, Natagara, Mabu, Sanman Tonava, Ikaikun Mukudana, Yamna spontaneous response, Lactabadona Tomas.
One inmate of a TH Biren de-addiction center at Samusang Santipur under Wangoi police station in Imphal West was found hanging in his room yesterday. The deceased is 22-year-old Longjam Purna Chandra, son of Longjam Momon from Thiam, Leishangkong, Tonapa, Leirak. According to Impact News sources, Longjam Purna Chandra has been staying in the center for the past 5 days only. As yesterday was movie day for the center, every inmates of the center were watching television, during which Purna Chandra hanged himself in his room around 4:30 p.m. A team of Wangoi Police and Manipur Forensic Science has picked up the body for post-mortem. Wangoi Police has also taken up a case to probe into incident. Owner of the center, Thaupubam Chinglen Sana, has also been arrested. Referees of 11 Manipur and SKYC Saungbong emerged successful in the 13 Inter-Saungbong Invitation Football Tournament today. In the 8th leg match of the tournament played today, referees 11 Manipur beat ANNLK Saungbong by 2-1. For the winners, A. Dilip and K. Wanglin netted 1 goal each at the 30 and 41st minute, while the lone goal of the losing team was scored by K. Amarjit at the 52nd minute. In the 9th leg match, SKYC Saungbong drubbed SSC Team B Saungbong by 6-1. For the winners, Somo Kanta netted 2 goals at 44 and 59 minutes, while Theophilus Langthui, Gaikhangam and Baguio scored 1 goal each at 15, 34, 39 and 16 minutes respectively. Former president of Saungbong Students Club presented cash award of 1,000 rupees each to the 2 winning teams in dedication to his grandson Dhanaraj Pamai. 8 football teams divided into 2 groups are competing in the league matches of the tournament organized by Saungbong Students Club at the club's playground. 10th and 11th league matches of the tournament will be played tomorrow. Six-month-long Bishnupur edition Young's Legions League Football League kicked off at FCTYDA ground Taubul yesterday. Taubul Youth Development Association TYDA organized the league's 2nd edition sponsored by One Foundation. Altogether, 240 players of under 7, under 9 and under 11 categories subdivided into 24 teams will compete in the 2nd edition of the Football League, which is a project initiated by FIFA since 2018. Speaking at the event, AMFA President M. Bratan Singh lauded TYDA Taubul for their immense contribution in producing efficient football players. Convener of the 8th late K. Yaima Memorial Veteran Football Tournament in a press release informed that the tournament will be held at 11 Star Sporting Union grounding Akampat. Veteran football teams of the state can participate in the football tournament. Interested teams can acquire further details from Akampat Veteran Football Association. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Nation celebrates 71st Republic Day. President Ramnath Kovind takes salute of the parade at Rajpath in the national capital. Manipur also celebrates 71st Republic Day at the historic Kangla under tight security arrangements amidst boycotts caused by various proscribed outfits. Kabui Mothers Association of Manipur celebrates the state-level 105th birth anniversary of freedom fighter Rani Gaidinliu at Rani Gaidinliu Park in Chikmairo. And total shutdown and boycotts called by various armed groups of the state against 71st Republic Day celebration greatly affects normal life in the state.